Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Windows 10 is updated to avoid known bugs. Once done, press Windows plus R, type Services. MSC and Open Services, this gives direct control. Find Windows Defender Antivirus Service and Windows Defender Firewall, you need to see their status. If you're not an administrator, switch to an admin account or run Elevated PowerShell. You can't restart protected services without admin rights. Make sure update tasks aren't running. Then pause and proceed to service actions in the next step. Next, you set the Defender services to automatic delayed start and attempt a restart. This often restores the UI. If restart fails, run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files. Follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. Then inspect group policy, gpedit. MSC and the registry for any policies or keys that disable Defender, remove those entries if present. Once cleaned, reboot because these repairs frequently require a restart to finally reset the Windows Security app from settings or reinstall it with PowerShell using getapps package and addapps package to restore the package. After reinstall, open Windows Security, enable real-time protection and check virus and threat protection updates to confirm definitions download. Make sure no third-party AV is interfering. Uninstall it if necessary. If problems persist, create a new administrator account and test there. A corrupted user profile can block the UI. Troubleshooting tip. Use Event Viewer to capture errors and note service error codes for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.